this is Rachael Lewandusky. I'm one of the family law attorneys here at the Marchese law firm. In this video, we're going to be talking about the current COVID pandemic and the trends and changes that we've seen throughout the pandemic within the court system. At the beginning of COVID, it certainly was a lot of adaptation. All of the courts closed, almost immediately. There was a lot of rescheduling, a lot of scrambling, a lot of everyone just kind of being understanding within the process that, things are happening and everybody's dealing with it differently right now. In terms of the process, it's, in some aspects, it's slowed a lot of things down because we're dealing with, judges who are working from home. We're working from home. Sometimes we're working from the office. We have clients that are all working from home. You're not able to meet with your clients as frequently as you would like, things like that. So processing time at the courts for receiving mail, for filing cases, for, getting motions before the judge, everything is kind of slowed down. Now, I can say that lately it's definitely getting back to maybe being a little bit more of the norm right now, and that everyone's starting to get a feel for how things are going moving forward. It's been nice because our appearances, we're able to do it all in the same place. So instead of running from county to county for an appearance or trying to figure out scheduling across different courtrooms, everything's being handled via Zoom right now. So you can appear in Livingston County, at 10 o'clock and Oakland County at 10:15, but you didn't have to go anywhere to be able to accomplish that. And so it has kind of streamlined the process in a lot of ways as well. Depending on the issue, some judges will request that you appear in person, of course, following all of the social distance guidelines for things like trial, or if anything, more pressing comes up in terms of the divorce process or the family law process. But majority of things right now are being handled via Zoom. I hope so, because it does help to streamline the process in a lot of ways. And in the overall regard, it's saving our clients money. We're not driving, 45 minutes to go to one county to sit outside of the courtroom to appear for a 15-minute conference. It's all being accomplished via Zoom, so we can be multitasking while we're waiting to get let into, the courtroom via Zoom, things like that. It's been, I feel, beneficial, and it certainly has streamlined a lot of aspects of the case. So I know there's certain things that would definitely be preferred to be in person, motion calls, trials, hearings, but things, like status conferences and settlement conferences, I do think in the future they certainly could continue to be maintained via Zoom. I do feel certainly like COVID has increased the divorce rate, but I've also seen a huge surge in our what we would call post-judgment cases. So the parties are already divorced, but now there are other issues that have developed, in regards to custody, parenting time, traveling, especially with COVID, because there are restrictions and every state's different. Every county has different things going on. Every school district has different options. And a lot of parents cannot come and see eye to eye on those issues in terms of should a child be in person or virtual? Should I be able to take my child to Florida to visit my aunt, or should I not? And, the court doesn't necessarily have answers for all of those issues either, because this is new. We haven't gone through this before. The court hasn't gone through this before. And a lot of these issues are things that everybody's just going to have to work through. But we have seen a huge surge in those post-judgment type of cases, especially involving decisions for the minor children during the pandemic.
If you have further questions, please call us at 248-270-2709 or visit us on the web at www.michigan-lawoffice.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.